Hello everyone, I am Miss Ornisha Chatterjee, a teacher of Reliable Educational Group, and I am also looking after the content delivery department of the online classes in the Reliable Educational Group during this lockdown period. Apart from this, I am also hosting this webinar of students during this lockdown period. My co-host is Mrs. Ranjana Nag. She is the marketing manager and head of the parent connectivity department of the Reliable Educational Group. In our panel discussion on students during lockdown, let me introduce the esteemed panelists we have today. Our first panelist is Mrs. Shankolita Shao, mother of Kotha Shao and parent representative of playgroup class of Blooming Era School. She is a wonderful and a very responsible mother who is always ready to bring out the best for her daughter. I welcome you, ma'am, from the behalf of Reliable Educational Group. Our next speaker we have today is Mrs. Arpita Shil, mother of Evisha Shil and parent representative of nursery class of Blooming Era School. She is a very efficient homemaker and a very talented lady we know. She is a wonderful Rabindra Nitya dancer and a lady with golden heart. Our next eminent speaker is Mrs. Deepa Kumari ma'am, mother of Divyansh Kumar and parent representative of junior KG class of Blooming Era School. She has a year work experience as a teacher and school head. She had worked in schools like DAV, Army Public School, Kendriya Vidyalaya, etc. She is really a superwoman and an example of all of us. Our next speaker is Mrs. Debashmita Chatterjee, mother of Bibhaburi Chatterjee and parent representative of senior KG class of Blooming Era School. She is also a frontline barrier of COVID-19 pandemic. She is a health worker. She is MBA in Health Administration. I salute you, ma'am, on behalf of Reliable Educational Group. Let me not forget to mention that she has also done masters in classical dance and juniors in classical singing. She has participated in inter-railway competitions. She recites, she does radio drama. She is just a wow woman. We have in our panel Mr. Shamajit Banerjee. He will be representing the parent of non-school students taking our online classes. He is a central government employee. He works for Chittaranjan Locomotive Works. He is also an educationalist, empowering the aspirants looking forward for government jobs. He is a great tabla player. He is the man of essence. I welcome this wonderful panel of beautiful moms and responsible and intelligent fathers. Now I would like to request my co-host, Mrs. Ranjana Nag, to proceed.
Thank you, Ornisha ma'am. It would really be a crime if I don't mention that we have with us Mrs. Masuda Yasmin ma'am also. She is the director of Reliable Educational Group. She is a wonderful teacher, trainer, and academic planner. She is heading successfully running organization like Blooming Era, Reliable International School, and Edu Engineers. She is a great motivator and always make working fun for all of us. She is also invited to conduct workshop for teachers and parents of many organizations pan-India. She is a real woman icon for all of us. And Ornisha ma'am, you can proceed now.
Thank you, ma'am. Now let's continue with our webinar on students during this lockdown period. Here we start with our first question. I would like to request Mrs. Shankolita Shao to answer this question. Mr. Shao, what do you think the psychological impact of this lockdown period on our kid?
Yes. In this period, हम लोगों की बच्चे लोग जो बहुत छोटे हैं, मतलब मेरी बच्ची जो बहुत छोटी है अभी प्ले ग्रुप में है, उनके लिए तो उतना भी प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि वो हर वक्त हमारे साथ ही रहते हैं, पेरेंट्स लोगों के साथ ही बाहर जाते हैं, तो इसलिए उसके लिए उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। बट जो मेरी बच्ची से थोड़ी बड़ी है, मतलब जो खुद बाहर जाती है, खेलती है, फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ खेलती है, उन लोगों के लिए तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा, मतलब बहुत प्रेशराइज भी होगा, क्योंकि हर वक्त 24/7 घर पे रहने के लिए ये बात बहुत डिफिकल्टी होगा बच्चे लोगों के लिए। और जो मतलब मेंटलिटी में जो प्रॉब्लम, मतलब जो डिसऑर्डर की बात हो रहा है, वो तो चिड़चिड़ा हो जाएंगे शायद। और उन लोगों के लिए ये भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा कि वो लोग ठीक से मतलब पढ़ाई में भी कंसंट्रेशन नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि अगर खेलेंगे कूदेंगे नहीं तो वो घर पे भी कैसे रहेंगे, मतलब सबके साथ ही बिहेवियर में भी चेंजेस आएगा। तो यही मेरा मतलब मेरी तरफ से है कि ऐसा ही हो रहा है शायद।
Thank you, ma'am, for your catbird seat answer. Now I would request Mrs. Ranjana Nag to proceed.
I would like to ask the same question to Deepa Kumari ma'am. आप कहिए आपका क्या ओपिनियन है इस ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन पीरियड्स में आपका बच्चे का कोई मेंटल कैसा हो रहा है?
Good evening, everyone. Actually, I think दोनों impact है, good and bad, both impact are there during lockdown. As soon as I think about my son, he started speaking very properly. Now he speaks sentences like earlier I have to see his body language. I have to observe his body language to understand what he want to say. But now he can speak like मुझे सुसु करना है, मुझे खाना खाना है, good night everyone. He can speak these things. And one more thing, he tried to observe us what we are doing. He tried to imitate us what we are doing. Same way he wants to. He tried to do those things, and he tried to improve his writing skill. And I know yes, Masuda Yasmin ma'am must be knowing that his writing skill was very poor earlier. But now he tried to write properly. He's trying his best to write properly. He's helping us in small goals, like when we are going for dinner, he plates water bottle, he puts water bottle, plates and glasses on table. He helps in those things. But some things are bad for them also, because they are not allowed to go outside. He always want to be out with his father, me or his sister, but he's not allowed to go out. So he gets angry for that. He starts crying because he's not allowed to go out. He's getting used to of mobiles and TV because we want to keep him busy. So he always want mobile, मुझे mobile चाहिए. So always on mobile. This is very bad during this lockdown period. And rest, he always spend time with me. He want to play with me. He want to disturb his sister. Her online classes are going on, but नहीं मुझे video दिखाओ, मुझे बिठाओ अपने साथ. तो ये चीजें हैं, कुछ अच्छी भी हैं, वो सीख रहा है कुछ हम लोगों से. बहुत सारी चीजें जो आपने स्कूल में सिखाई थी, जो बुकिश थी, अब वो प्रैक्टिकली सीख रहा है. Something are good, but yes, bad things are more. Bad things are basically for he's not allowed to go out. He's missing his school time. स्कूल का यूनिफॉर्म देखते ही वो खुश हो जाता है कि मुझे पहनाओ स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म ना, कि मुझे स्कूल जाना है. तो ही इज मिसिंग हिज स्कूल टाइम बेसिकली. फ्रेंड्स तो थे नहीं तो वो चलेगा, बट स्कूल लिटरली ही इज मिसिंग हिज स्कूल टाइम. थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable opinion. We will go Masuda ma'am. Masuda ma'am, we all would surely like to listen to your point of view of this.
Yes, according to me, we all are social animals, and our kids are not an exception to this. We didn't tame them, or they are not tamed to stay indoors all day, all night, and for days and nights. So they are stuck inside four walls of the houses, and they must be missing the parks or the gardens where they used to go. They have suddenly lost the contact with the school, their teachers, their friends. So they must be missing that also. We generally carry our kids to shops where we actually go. So they must be missing them because actually during the lockdown, we are not carrying our kids to the shops or the market. So they miss everything. And if we mention that, I won't feel shameful to mention that they are also frontline warriors, because now they are behaving more mature than their age, and they are cooperating with us. They are keeping patience, and they are staying at home. Also, I can see that Corona has two effects. The first effect, two deadly effects. The first effect is the direct one, and as we can see the news channels every day, thousands of people are dying every day due to Corona. Thousands of people are attacked by Corona. Corona, but I feel the second effect would be but that is a temporary effect. That because as soon as our medical specialists and scientists come up with the medicines or the vaccines, we can overcome the situation. And secondly, if we follow the government instructions, we can easily cope up with the situation. And but the second effect, which is my concern, is that staying back at home for days, like now it's nearly 40 days we are staying at our home, and the kids are doing that also. Even fathers must be going out for purchasing something, but the kids are not allowed to do that also. They are just sitting in the home, and they have a very boring curriculum, that they wake up, they have their breakfast, they watch mobiles, televisions, and after that they eat, sleep, mobile phones and television. That is the cycle that they are going through, that is making our kids and even us bit not they are affecting our minds and physical fitness to a great extent. And I think that our minds and bodies are becoming lazy, and which will be a long-term effect, because changing this habit will be a very difficult one for all of us. So I feel that now China has won the third world war, that by not only by attacking the people worldwide directly, killing the people, but they have also created lazy minds. They have created the lazy minds and dormant minds for the upcoming generation. So it's very important for us to make our children, keep our child engaged in some constructive work during and constructive activities during this lockdown. Thank you so much, Ranjana ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your keen observation and visionary outlook. Ornisha ma'am, you can proceed now.
Yes, I truly agree with Mrs. Masuda Yasmin. Now let's try to make this lockdown period more constructive and interesting for our kids. On this, I would like to request Mrs. Arpita Shil to answer my next question. So, Mrs. Shil, please let us know that kid.
ओके मैम, गुड इवनिंग मैम। मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में बच्चे मतलब ज्यादा लेट है, लेकिन बहुत सारी चीजें भी बच्चे सीख रहे हैं, जैसे सैनिटाइजेशन। पहले बच्चे बाहर से खेल के आते थे, जस्ट पानी से हाथ धो के अपना काम करना शुरू कर देते थे, लेकिन अभी मम्मी पापा सब इतना बार बाहर से आने के बाद हाथ धो रहे हैं, तो वो लोग भी इस चीज को देख के ऑब्जर्व करके खुद ही अपने आप से बाहर से आने के बाद, नहीं मम्मा मुझे पहले हैंड वॉश से हाथ धुला दो, फिर मैं कुछ टच करूंगा, तो टच करूंगी, तो उसके बाद वो हाथ धोती है या तो हैंड वॉश से या तो सैनिटाइजर से। तो ये एक अच्छा उसके अंदर मतलब चीज आया है। और दूसरा है उसके अंदर अभी जैसे वो मुझे पहले जब वो स्कूल में कुकिंग वगैरह करती थी, तो वेजिटेबल्स वगैरह तो वो बुक्स में सारा कुछ देखी है, लेकिन अभी जैसे वो घर में रहती है तो मैं कुकिंग करती हूँ, तो वो सारे वेजिटेबल्स प्रैक्टिकली भी देख रही है, तो जैसे मैं उसको लाने बोलती हूँ कुछ भी उठा के नाम लेके, तो वो लाती है, तो इससे वो सीख भी रही है, उसको पता भी चल रहा है कि वेजिटेबल्स मतलब प्रैक्टिकली कैसे होते हैं, और वो फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स में डिफरेंस भी करना सीख रहे हैं। जैसे कैरेट को मतलब पहले या तो वेजिटेबल्स है या फ्रूट है कंफ्यूज कर जाती थी, लेकिन अब वो सीख रही है कि कैरेट कुकिंग होता है तो मतलब वो वेजिटेबल है, लेकिन जो हम लोग रॉ खाते हैं तो वो फ्रूट्स होता है, तो वो डिफरेंस करना सीख रही है। और मुझे हाउस होल्ड मतलब काम में भी वो हेल्प कर रही है। जैसे मैं कुछ सोच रही हूँ तो आके उसमें हेल्प करना शुरू कर देती है, या जैसे अपनी प्लेट खुद जाके बेसिन में रखती है, तो उसको सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट बना रहा है एंड गुड चेंजेस आ रहे हैं उसमें। और एक होता है कि पहले जैसे हम लोग जो बचपन में हम लोग बर्ड्स देखते थे, स्पैरोज वगैरह, लेकिन वो लोग अभी नहीं देख पा रहे हैं बाहर, वो किताब में या मोबाइल में ही देखते थे। लेकिन जैसे लॉकडाउन की वजह से एक अच्छा चेंजेस भी आया है मदर अर्थ में कि वो अपने आप को हील कर रही है, तो बहुत सारे बर्ड्स जो हम लोग को पहले नहीं दिखते थे अभी अपने बैल्कनीज में या टेरेस पे दिख रहे हैं, तो बच्चे उस चीज को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और बर्ड्स का नाम बुक से देख के नहीं, प्रैक्टिकली देख के सीख रहे हैं। तो ये गुड चेंजेस है। और मतलब क्या मतलब डॉगीज वगैरह जो मतलब डोमेस्टिक एनिमल एंड वाइल्ड एनिमल में भी वो चेंजेस मतलब उसको डिफरेंस पता है। जो घर के बाहर जैसे डॉगीज या कैट्स देख रही है तो ये डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स है, और जो वो नहीं देख पा रही है जो जंगल में रहते हैं तो वो लायंस वगैरह मतलब वाइल्ड एनिमल्स है, ये सब डिफरेंस भी वो सीख रही है। तो इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में ये सब अच्छी चीजें उसके साथ हो रही है।
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your feelings and opinions with us. Now, I would request Mrs. Ranjana Nag to proceed.
I would like to the same question, questions to Devushmita ma'am, Devushmita Chatterjee.
Yes.
Mrs.
Good afternoon, madam. Yes. Good afternoon, madam. How you all feel right now? I think, hope so. We are feeling very bad, but situation is like that. That's why. But one more thing is that Corona is not a very harmful thing. But thing is that if someone is affected by the Corona can be removed. But those who are the suffering, CKD means chronic kidney failure, hypertension, or any chronic disease, जिन लोग कोरोना द्वारा इफेक्ट हो रहे हैं उन लोगों को डेथ हो रहा है। अदरवाइज कोरोना में जिन लोग इफेक्ट हो रहा है, कोई कोरोना इफेक्ट होने के बाद ही उनका डेडलाइन मृत्यु नहीं है, उनका कोरोना से आप रिकवर कर सकते हैं। और ये चीज ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि एजेड पर्सन को ज्यादा हो रहा है, क्योंकि उन लोगों के पास इम्यूनिटी कम है। अगर जिसके पास इम्यूनिटी ज्यादा होगा ना, तो अगर उनको कोरोना हो भी गया है तो वो रिकवर कर सकते हैं। और ये बात है कि हम लोगों का बच्चे लोगों को क्या हो रहा है, उन लोग घर में बैठे जा रहे हैं, बाहर के एनवायरनमेंट के साथ उन लोगों का एकदम मिलना जुलना बंद हो गया है। फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ कम्युनिकेट होना, कुछ चीज खाने को शेयर करके खाना, ये सब टोटली बंद हो जाता है फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ। हम लोग घर में जिन लोग के हम लोगों के साथ तो शेयर कर लेते हैं, लेकिन इसके अलावा बाहर भी कोई भी दोस्त के साथ उन लोगों को फीलिंग शेयर करना होता है या फूड शेयर करना होता है, ये चीज उन लोगों के इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है। और दूसरा बात यह है कि जैसे मेरा बेटी घर में कुछ हेल्प कर रही है, जैसे मेरी मदर इन लॉ और कोई भी मेरे हस्बैंड को या मुझे कुछ काम करते हुए देखते हैं तो वो हेल्प करती है। बट दूसरी थिंग इज दैट घर में जो दिन से जो क्वारंटाइन पीरियड जो बढ़ रहा है, लॉकडाउन पीरियड जो बढ़ रहा है, तो उसको बाहर जाने में जो दिक्कतें हो रहा है, इसके उनके ब्रेन के ऊपर इफेक्ट आ रहा है, क्योंकि उन लोग बाहर नहीं जा रहा है। हाँ, उन लोग नेचुरल थिंग को देख रहे हैं, लेकिन बाहर मिलना भी, खेलना, आउटसाइड गेम भी करना उन लोगों की जरूरत है। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable opinion. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable opinion. And
thank you.
Anisha, ma'am, you can proceed now.
Now, I would like to ask Mrs. Devushmita Chatterjee that if you are having any question in your mind, you can ask to Masuda ma'am. She will be answering your question.
मैम थिंग इज दैट आप लोग इस क्वारंटाइन टाइम पे, इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में कैसे करके हम लोग मेंटल सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, ये आप थोड़ा काइंडली बताइएगा तो अच्छा होता है।
Thank you, Mrs. Debushmita Chatterjee. This is really a concern of maximum of the parents out there. And see, first, let's try to engage our kids. Engage our kids in some constructive activities. As said, as Mrs. Urpita said, that her child is helping, your child is helping her grandmother. So let us teach them life skills. We have enough time now. Now it's very important for us parents also to spend quality time with our little ones. Like they must be missing the schools. So let us make a routine that
because madam their ratio of the watching of mobile phone, it's become a very increasing, so it is also affect their eyes also.
Yes.
So that's why.
So that is even if we are sharing some contents for the online classes, if you go through the contents, it is basically the parents' guideline. That is, we are giving the parents the guidelines how to interact and teach their child using practical applications during this lockdown. That is, it's not academics that is very important for me as of now, but it's that our child should not feel boring. It should be like the parents are engaged with them, and every day let us make a routine that we let our child interact with at least one friend of theirs. We can call their friends. We have generally we share our numbers with other parents, so we can contact their friends so that they can talk and they can clear up with their minds, because they have so many of emotions inside them and they want to express them. And there are times when we feel that we can express something to our friends only, so they must also be feeling like that only, that they need friends to express their feeling. So let us make it a point that we need to ask them, or we need to let our child contact their friend, connect their friend, call their friend, at least one friend a day, and they speak up their mind. And secondly, we are coming up with 3 days Zoom classes, where it would be a activity based class where our parents, for example, I'm giving you all a task. I'm giving you all a task during this session only. Yes, all of you just go and get your favorite thing which is near you, or anything that is nearest to you. Just bring it and show it on the screen, please. Anything you can. So Mr. Banerjee has a pen. Yes, Mrs. Geeta Kumari has teddy bear, and Mrs. Urpita has lipstick. Okay, that's nice. And yes, Mrs. Sau has a mobile phone, and Mrs. Debushmita, what do you have? You have pen. Acha, I have brought nail polish. Okay. These are the
That nice.
Color is very good. Color is very good.
Acha, thank you so much. These are the activities we are going to basically do with our kids. So, for example, I have brought the nail polish. So, let me speak about this. The teacher will ask, what is the color of the thing? What have you brought? Yes, Masuda, what have you brought? So, I will be answering, yes, ma'am, I have brought nail polish. So, teacher will again question her, what do you do with that? So the child will say, or I'll say that I put it on my nails and it looks beautiful. they can use Hindi, Bengali, or English, the language whichever is comfortable for them. But I need them to express that, and they can have an interactive session with their friends. Like for example, Mrs. Deepa Kumari has brought the teddy bear. Yes, Mrs. Deepa Kumari, can you tell me
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the color of your teddy bear?
It's pink, ma'am.
Yes. And what do you do with that?
I generally play with it.
Okay. So in this way, what is going that they are moving, and during the Zoom classes, they are moving. They're not only their eyes is working, their eyes, ears, hands and brain all together are working. So first physical movement is encouraged, and physical, I think the line would be cut. We will be connecting you again.